Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to make a flip effect, like a card flip, in Hostinger website builder. This is a demo of the flip cards that I will share with you how to add in your website in Hostinger website builder. And as you can see, each card flips when I hover over it using my mouse. How to add this flip card effect in Hostinger website builder? It's simple. Just log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites and click on websites list. Now you will see all the websites available in your account, and you need to click on this edit website button next to your website. If you're like me, you have multiple different websites and you're looking for an easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger Builder, just look at these little icons next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon, and this is the Hostinger Builder websites icon. Now click on Edit Website, and this is my website homepage in Hostinger Builder. And this is the blank space where I will add my flip cards. Click on Add Element from this left sidebar and scroll down to the bottom. Drag and drop this element called Embed Code, like that. Click on Enter Code, delete this existing one, and copy the code I will share with you in this video description. If I forgot to do so, just let me know in the comments below. Now go back and paste your code here. Click on Embed Code, and this is your cards added to your website. Place them where you want them to be, and don't forget to update your website to save these changes. Let's see my website live, and this is my cards. If I hover over them using my mouse, they flip and reveal their content. How to edit this code? It's simple. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. This is the card container gap. I think this gap is between, as you can see, to edit this little gap between each cards, you can edit it from the gap here. The default space, or space is 20 pixels, and you can make them away from each other or the opposite. Flip container, the width, I will play with the width to see the difference. You can edit the width of these cards. I will return to the default setting, which is 200 pixels. Flip box, let's make it 20. You can also edit the flip box width from here. I will return to 100%. Position, transform style, preserve 3D transition. I think here you can edit the transition time. The default transition time is or duration is 0.6 seconds. I will make it 3 seconds. I think the flip effect will be slower, so I will go back to the default duration or flip duration, flip front, flip back. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder. And also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Position, back face, visibility, hidden, align items, center, font size. Here you can make the font size bigger or smaller like that. I think bigger is better, so I will keep it 30 pixels. Font weight, text align, padding, flip front. Here I think the background color I will go with black to see the difference. My bad. This is how to edit the cards color. I will return to the default blue color white, flip back. This is now to edit this green color. Just go to the flip back and edit the background color. I will go with, for example, yellow, and this is how to make it yellow. I will return to the default color. And now let's see how to edit the content of each card, or how to edit the card's numbers. Flip box, flip container, card 1. Now let's see first card. Now as you can see, the first card text or title is updated. Now you can choose to edit the content, the card content text. Let's edit it from here, card content text, and this is how to edit the content of each card. Same thing, this is what is responsible for the content of the first card. This is the second card, the third card, and the fourth card. To add two, or to have a total of 6 cards, it's simple. Just copy this code starting from the last div class flip container to the to this div, or to this closing div. Paste this copied code 2 times and you will get 6 cards. Just to make things easier for you, make sure to edit the cards number from here to make things easier for you editing this code. As you can see, now this is the card, the fourth card, fifth and the sixth one. Let's update, or let's copy this new code here. To edit this code, it's simple. Just click on edit code, or first select the element, click on enter code, select all code with Ctrl A on PCs and Command A on Mac. Delete it using the deletion button and paste your new code. Click on embed code, and as you can see, now I have six cards. Click on update website, and let's view my website online or live. And this is my 6 cards. That was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.